Hello and welcome to this video on Acacia Fiber Intermittent Fasting, a beginner's guide to lasting weight loss. Intermittent fasting has become a popular approach to weight loss in recent years, and Acacia Fiber has been a big player in making intermittent fasting a safe, effective, and sustainable process. In this video, we'll discuss the basics of Acacia Fiber and intermittent fasting so that you can make an informed decision about whether this weight loss regimen is right for you. We'll start by discussing the science behind Acacia Fiber and the benefits of intermittent fasting. Then, we'll discuss the best ways to incorporate Acacia Fiber into your diet so you can get the most out of your fasting window. Finally, we'll talk about potential drawbacks associated with intermittent fasting and Acacia Fiber, and offer tips on how to make your fasting journey smoother. Thanks for joining us, and let's get started. The science behind Acacia Fiber and intermittent fasting is simple and straightforward. Acacia Fiber is an indigestible soluble dietary fiber that does not break down into sugars or starches. As a result, Acacia Fiber can help you fast for longer periods of time without becoming tired or hungry, since it slows down digestion and provides energy without breaking down into glucose. What's more, Acacia Fiber is prebiotic, meaning it supports your gut bacteria and helps create a healthy gut microbiome. This can help you reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and regulate your blood sugar levels. Intermittent fasting, meanwhile, involves cycling between periods of eating and non-eating. While there are variations on the schedule, most forms of intermittent fasting involve eating nothing or very few calories during a certain time frame, usually 8 to 24 hours. During the fasting period, your body is forced to use stored fat as fuel, leading to weight loss. When you combine Acacia Fiber and intermittent fasting, it's an effective way to maximize the benefits of fasting and burning fat. Acacia Fiber helps you stay fuller for longer and reduces hunger pangs during the fasting window, while intermittent fasting helps your body access stored fat as fuel. The combination of these two practices can vastly improve your weight loss success. However, it's important to remember that there can be some drawbacks to intermittent fasting and Acacia Fiber. For example, some people may experience increased hunger pangs and fatigue as their bodies adjust to the new schedule. Additionally, for those with pre-existing medical conditions or who take certain medications, it's important to speak to your doctor before starting a fasting regimen. To get the most out of intermittent fasting with Acacia Fiber, there are several steps you can take. First, make sure to incorporate Acacia Fiber into any meals consumed outside of the fasting window. This will not only help you stay fuller longer, but it will help reduce the potential of sudden spikes in glucose that can happen with carb-heavy meals. Additionally, make sure to drink plenty of water during the fasting window to help stay hydrated and keep hunger pangs away. Finally, always listen to your body and take time to rest when you feel fatigued. Thanks for tuning into this video on Acacia Fiber Intermittent Fasting, a beginner's guide to lasting weight loss. We hope this video has helped you understand the basics of Acacia Fiber and intermittent fasting, so you can make an informed decision about whether this regimen is right for you. Remember that it's important to speak to your doctor before beginning any new diet or lifestyle change. Good luck, and happy fasting. Copyright Sangari Commodities Corporation, Lewis, Delaware, USA. Internet, www.timbuktuacaciafiber.com. www.sangaracommodities.com.